Making money online doesn't have to be so hard, and making PayPal money online is even better. We are going to be showing you how you can make money online without having to do any work whatsoever. If you have a phone, then get ready because this method is going to be the best method that you're ever going to discover in your whole life, and all you need is your cell phone. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip any part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Now, if you watch until the end, we will be showing you a bonus app, so make sure that you watch through this whole video so that you don't miss it. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First step to today's method is to go on your default browser and then proceed to type in www.cm.com/mcmoney. This is what you should be able to see next. MC Money. Earn money for receiving text messages. Get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. The way to get started is to first download the APK on your phone, and then you proceed with the installation. And then you register your phone number, and then just like that, you start receiving SMS and start making money as well. Now, what exactly is MC Money? So over here it says, by letting us send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help us help mobile operators to work together. And not unimportant, each message you receive adds more money to your MC Money bank. Real money. And how can we earn money with MC Money? You first download the MC Money app on your Android phone. Next, you follow the registration process. Any questions, you may read the frequently asked questions. Number 3, verify your phone number and you're all set. Number 4, we will send test SMS to your phone number from time to time. Number 5, every received test message adds money to your balance. Number 6, you may cash out anytime after you hit the threshold. Number 7, you get a bonus for every friend that you refer to the MC Money app. And of course, more information will be in the facts section. Now, install and earn money. Earn cash, just install the app. We'll send you random test SMS messages once in a while. You'll earn money for each received text message from us. It's also important to keep in mind that this app only works on Android devices. So for iOS users out there, we apologize, but this app won't work on your device. And the reason for this is because Android allows us to process the results of the SMS text messages we send to your phone. But do not fear, we have a lot of other videos that work on iOS devices, so make sure you go to our channel and check the rest of our videos out. Continuing on, MC Money is very much secure. MC Money is extremely safe and secure for you to use. Your personal data is handled according to strict privacy rules. If you go on this website and scroll a little bit lower, you will see some frequently asked questions over here that you can read through. And as you can see, you have general, registration process, I don't receive the test messages, payments, and referral program. So all of these categories have questions under them that are related to the objective of your questions. So whatever you're looking for just might be there. Also, you can look up other questions that you might have in mind over here. If the questions that you're looking for, they don't have the answers to them, so you can directly look it up so you can find it if it's not there. And if you really can't find the answer to your question as one of the website's facts, then go ahead and contact them through email or their Facebook Messenger for the rest of your concerns. So that's just an overview of the whole website for you so that everything is clear and you are informed. So make sure that you go check this first website out. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and if you love it. Now let's continue. If you still remember, we promised you a bonus app earlier, and that is what we're going to get into right now. Now open up a brand new tab and then go ahead and type in moneysmsapp.com. So this is what you should be able to see next. This is the Money SMS app, and as you can see here, make money online. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by our system and customers. Now, some features of this website is that Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. Again, this app is exclusively for Android only because only Android allows apps to read SMS. You can earn money online through this app. You just need to install our app and get paid by our money making app for received SMS test messages. This app is secure. Our app does not read any of your private messages or uses any other data. We read only our own test SMS. It is automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your side. There is a referral program. You can refer our app to your friends and community and earn 30% from their earnings, okay? 30%. And lastly, this app is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to get started, and there are no hidden fees whatsoever. What you'll need to do to get started on this app is to first sign up, download and install the APK, register and keep the app and internet running on your phone. Next, receive automatic test SMS. Our system and our customers will send test SMS to your phone number from time to time. Last step and our favorite step, get paid. You will automatically get paid 2 cents when you receive test messages. You can withdraw your money when your balance hits 2 euros. As you scroll lower, you'll find out that this app gives you the freedom to choose your preferred payment method, which they have a lot of options for. You can accumulate money on a balance, earn money online automatically, earn more with a referral program, find quick answers to questions, keep track of the transaction status. You can choose to withdraw your payouts through any crypto, PayPal, Skrill, and many more. You can withdraw your money within 48 hours, and you can keep track of your income reports. If you're not sure on how to install the app, you can click this button over here and get all the help that you need in that subject. As you can see over here, there have been over 3 million tests sent, 71,000 euros paid, and over 160,000 users registered as well. Very big numbers, as you can see over here. So, why are you getting paid? Now, a lot of telecom, SMS providers, and mobile network operators need to send SMS test messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure the proper delivery of their SMS. Now, you actually get paid because we use your phone number to provide such testing services. Now, please note that we do not read your private messages. Are we a scam or legit? Now, at Money SMS, we take all the necessary measures to ensure that we comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirements. If you are not sure whether we pay our users, you can check the proofs of payment from many of our users on an independent website. So you can click on Check Ranking and Reviews to see reviews on this website to reassure you that this app is really what they say it is. Now, why should I download the app APK from the website? Unfortunately, we are not able to offer our full app on Google Play anymore due to their very strict policy regarding reading the user's SMS. The functionality of our app is very specific and it doesn't get approved anymore. Now, the demo version of Money SMS app is available. To earn money, however, you will need to install the full app APK from our website. Now, those are very important notes to remember, so make sure you read and follow through. They also have a help center if you scroll down some more, so if you have any general questions, payment issues, technical issues, or questions on the referral program, then you can easily just click on any of these right here. So make sure that you do try this app because we would definitely prefer this app right here, but that doesn't mean you disregard the first app. What we actually want you to do is install both apps and then earn from both of these apps all at the same time, which means that you would be doubling your earnings, and who wouldn't want that? And all by doing absolutely nothing. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash the subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and we will see you in the next one.